Imagine a world where technology and nature thrive together. The Green Digital Citizen Project brought this vision to life, uniting students aged 10 to 15 from across Europe. Over 10 months, participants explored vital themes: sustainability, e-waste, energy consumption, and the impact of artificial intelligence, guided by the UN Sustainable Development Goals and the Green Comp framework. Teachers and students worked in international teams, using digital tools like TwinSpace, Padlet, and Google Slides. Together, they researched, discussed, and created shared presentations, posters, and even online games. Collaboration didn't stop at communication. It sparked creativity and critical thinking, as students tackled real challenges and proposed sustainable solutions. Integration with curriculum ensured learning was meaningful. Students improved their digital and language skills, learned to use technology responsibly, and became more aware of environmental issues. Regular surveys and evaluations measured progress and inspired growth. In the end, the project empowered young minds to envision a future where digital innovation and environmental care go hand in hand, a future shaped by collaboration, knowledge, and responsible action. Today, tomorrow, always, becoming a green digital citizen starts now.